Hello everyone! Today we are doing a parametric drawing of the prototype of a women's blouse. First, we open the table, Edit. Here, we can manually enter the size number, or open the prepared Excel spreadsheet. Here, I have prepared two sizes. We can click here to color code different sizes. Click OK after finishing. Next, we check if the switch formula or free mode button is enabled. Ensure it is turned on. Then start drafting. Using the Intelligent Pen tool, we first draw a horizontal line. Click it and drag it out. Right-click to switch to the T-line tool. Click anywhere and enter the formula. Finished bust width divided by 2. Click OK after finishing. Next, draw a vertical line upward from this point. Right-click to switch to the T-line tool. Click anywhere, enter the back length value. OK. Next, we use the point tool. Position the point at this location. Click Enter. And input the formula in the y-axis direction. Net bust divided by 10 plus 13.7. Note, since it is the negative y-axis direction, enclose the formula and add a negative sign in front. Click OK after finishing. Next, we continue using the Intelligent Pen tool. Position the Intelligent Pen tool at this point. Right-click and drag it out. Now we can see a right angle. Right-click the mouse again and switch the right angle to the direction we need. Connect it to the previous point. Then we draw this line. Next, we right-click upward from this point. Switch to the T-line tool. Click anywhere and enter the formula. Net bust divided by 5 plus 8.3. Click OK after finishing. Now we can draw this part to join at any length. To ensure it is connected, we can check it and right-click inside. Next, we locate the front neckline width position. Use the point tool to position at this point. Press Enter. Enter our formula. Finished bust divided by 24 plus 3.4. Here we are on the negative x-axis. so add a negative sign and enclose the formula. Click OK after completion. Next, we use the length comparison tool. From this point to the tail position, we double-click it. After it turns green, we click Record. In the table, the measurement var, rename it as front neckline width. Then, drag out the line with the right mouse button. Click anywhere. Enter the formula here. Front neckline width plus 0.5. Click OK. Next, draw our front neckline arc. First, use the Intelligent Pen tool to connect to points. Then click the starting point. Then click any position on the lower half of the line. Select the proportion 1/3. Input the offset -0.5. Click OK. Then connect the endpoints and right-click. Next, we locate the back neckline width position. Use the Intelligent Pen tool to click anywhere here. And input the length formula. Front neckline width plus 0.2. OK. Right-click to switch to the T-line tool. Draw downward, click anywhere. Input the formula, front neckline width plus 0.2 divided by 3. Click OK and connect the endpoints. Then draw our back neckline arc. Click the starting point. Then hold the Ctrl key and draw the curve with the left mouse button. And use the left mouse button to draw. Release the Ctrl key and connect the last point. Right-click the blank area. Next, we locate the front and back shoulder width lines. We can drag this line left to any position and click. And enter our formula. Net bust divided by 8 plus 6.2. Okay. Then draw the back shoulder width line and drag this line out. Now its length is too long. We can click the upper and lower lines with the mouse. When they turn green, we click anywhere. Enter our formula. Net bust divided by 8 plus 4.4. Click OK after finishing. Next, we draw the front and back shoulder slope lines. First, we open the table, Edit. Uncheck the length. Then input our front and back shoulder slope lengths. Front shoulder slope 22 centimeters. Back shoulder slope 18 centimeters. Here we have two sizes. So we click the Intra-Group Size Difference button. OK. Next, we use the Angle Line tool. Click the line and endpoint, drag out the line. Input the length 13 centimeters. Select the angle front shoulder slope angle. OK. Next, we use the point tool. To click on the half segment line. Input its length 1.8 centimeters. Click OK. After that, use the Intelligent Pen tool to connect the endpoints. Right-click to switch to the T-line tool for connection. Then use the Compare Length tool to connect the endpoint with the newly drawn point. Double-click it. After the segment turns green, click Record. Then we open the table, the measurement var. Change its name to Front Small Shoulder. Click OK. Next, we draw the back shoulder slope line. Use the Angle Line tool to click the line and endpoint. Right-click to switch its angle. Then drag it out and click anywhere. Input its length formula. Front small shoulder plus net bust divided by 32 minus 1.2. Select the angle back shoulder slope line. OK. We switch to the Intelligent Pen tool. Right-click this point to switch to a T-line. Connect it here. Next, we use the Point tool to locate 8 centimeters below this point. Now we can see our reference point is here. we can press the shortcut key F9 on the keyboard to switch the reference point position. Then click on this line. Enter our distance 8. OK. Next, switch to the Intelligent Pen tool. Horizontally connect this point to the side. Right-click to switch to the T-line tool to complete the connection. Next, we use the divider tool to divide the segment into 2 equal parts. Here we can click the relative number on the keyboard. Here we can click the number 2. We continue to use the divider tool to bisect another segment. Click it. Next, we switch to the point tool. Locate the position 0.7 centimeters left from this point. We first click the segment and input negative 0.7 centimeters. Click OK. And find. Then locate the position 1 centimeter down from this point. Click the segment and input negative 1 centimeter. OK. Then we want to find the position of this point. We click it. Input the formula net bust divided by 32. OK. Next, we use the Intelligent Pen tool. Draw a horizontal line from this point. And draw a vertical line from this point. Then select both lines. Right-click on the inside. Then connect the right angle vertex to the target point. Right-click the mouse. Next, we use the divider tool to bisect the segment. And divide another segment into 3 equal parts. Click the number 3 on the keyboard and click it. Then we use the point tool to locate the position 1 centimeter left from this point. We put the point tool on this point and press Enter. Input the negative x-axis offset negative 1 centimeter. OK. Then right-click the blank area with the mouse and switch to the Intelligent Pen tool. Click this point. Right-click to switch to the T-line tool and connect it here. Connect the midpoint to the upper and lower endpoints. Connect this point downward. Then we use the point tool to locate the position 1 centimeter left from this point. First, click anywhere on the line and input negative 1. Right-click the blank area and switch to the Intelligent Pen tool. Vertically connect this point downward and then upward. Use the Compare Length tool to record the length of 1/3. Double-click it to turn green and click Record. In the table, the measurement var. Change its name to Underarm Concave. OK. Next, right-click to switch to the Intelligent Pen tool. And draw these two auxiliary lines. Click this point. Right-click to switch to the T-line tool. Input the formula, underarm concave plus 0.5 centimeters. OK. Click on this side as well. Right-click to switch to the T-line tool. Click any position. Underarm concave plus 0.5 centimeters. OK. Next, we use the Rotate tool. Click on this line. Right-click, click the center point. And select the line we want to rotate. After it turns green, we move the mouse. Click anywhere. Input our formula. Finished bust size -4.5. OK. Next, we draw the armhole line. First, we use the divider tool. Drag from this point to that point to find its midpoint. Then use the Intelligent Pen tool. Place it at this point. Double-click Enter. Place it at the 1/2 point. Double-click Enter. And place it at this point. Double-click Enter. Then right-click the blank area. Then place the Intelligent Pen on this point. Double-click Enter. And then place it at the 1/2 point. Double-click Enter. Then place it at the auxiliary line position we just found. Double-click Enter. Place it at this point again. Double-click Enter. And place it at this point. Double-click Enter. And place it at this point. Double-click Enter. Then right-click the blank area. Next, we use the Move and Rotate Adjust tool. Select the two old arcs we just drew. Right-click the blank area and select these two lines. Right-click the blank area, and then we moved it over. Click on the point on the line and adjust the arc. After adjustment, right-click the blank area. Next, we draw the dart. We use the divider tool to find the midpoint of this line. Then use the point tool. Find the center point and offset it 1 centimeter to the right. Here we press the shortcut key F9 to switch the reference point and click it. Right-click the blank area. Switch to the Intelligent Pen tool. Connect vertically upward from this point. Then use the point tool. Find this point and move it 1.5 units. We click and enter 1.5. And click the point we just found. And left-click anywhere on the line. Input the formula. Net bust divided by 32 minus 1.2. OK. Then we switch to the Intelligent Pen tool. Connect this point with this point and right-click. Then we vertically connect this midpoint with the lower part. Next, we draw a horizontal line in the blank area. Input the formula. Finished bust minus finished waist divided by 2. OK. Use the Compare Length tool and record it. Click it. Turn green, then click Record. Open the table, the measurement var. Change its name, Bust-Waist Difference. OK. Next we divide the bust-waist difference equally among the darts. Right-click the blank area and switch to the Intelligent Pen tool. First, draw this line. We hold down the Ctrl key to draw this line. Then put the mouse at this point. Press Enter. Input the formula. Bust waist difference multiplied by 0.07. OK. Right-click the blank area. And use the intelligent pen to connect and connect it vertically here. Click from this point to that point. Press Enter. Bust waist difference multiplied by 0.09. OK. Right-click, then from this point to that point, press Enter. Enter. Input the formula. Bust waist difference multiplied by 0.175. OK. Right-click, then click from this point to that point, press Enter. Input the formula. Bust waist difference multiplied by 0.055. OK. Then click from this point to here, press Enter. Input the formula. Bust waist difference multiplied by 0.075. OK. Then click from this point to that point, press Enter. Enter. Bust waist difference multiplied by 0.07. OK. Right-click. Next, we use the mirror tool. Click the axis of symmetry. Select the line we want to copy. Right-click, click the axis of symmetry. Select the line we want to copy. Right-click, click the axis of symmetry. Select the line we want to copy. Right-click, click the axis of symmetry. Select the line we want to copy. Right-click, and click the axis of symmetry. Select the line we want to copy. Thus, our darts are completed. Next, we use the Set Line Type tool. Switch our lines to dashed lines. Then click our auxiliary lines. Then switch our lines to thick lines. Select our structure lines. Right-click, Thus, our parametric women's bodice prototype is completed. Next, we switch the size to see the effect. Open the table edit. We can manually change its size. OK. Then click OK. Pay attention that all our structure lines have changed with the size variation. So today, our parametric drafting and demonstration of the women's bodice prototype ends here.